Okay, Andy. Good morning, everyone. So the last class prepared statement, Andy. How many of you executed this program yesterday? Raise your hands. So let me repeat it once. Prepared statement is an interface from java.sql package and which is used to execute normal queries. Yesterday somebody asked, sir, what is this normal query? Means that only create, insert, update, and delete and select query. We call it as normal. So why I'm calling it as normal means procedures and functions are available. To execute that procedures and functions, we had a callable statement. So before callable statement, we had statement and prepare statement. Using this statement and prepare statement, we can execute only normal queries. That's the information. Sir, what is this in parameter? What is this in parameter means? Yesterday, after compilation has been completed, we are adding the values and running. That's called in parameter. So we are adding the parameter and running. That concept will be called as in parameter concept. What is the advantage of prepared statement? Through prepared statement, the query is compiled once and can be executed any number of times. I made that statement to you. Right. Make that statement note. In prepared statement, the query is compiled once and can be executed any number of times. Any number of times with any number of times with parameters. That only we call it as with in parameters. We are adding that parameters means we are adding the values by parameter index and we are running. In prepared statement, this is in prepared statement. The query is compiled once and can be executed any number of times with in parameters. You can set the values and run it. That's a meaning actually. Now, sir, what is today's class? Today's class is yesterday I performed registration process to you. I performed one registration process yesterday. That is inserting multiple user details like username, password, first name, last name, address, mail ID, and phone number. The same program I'll run one more time, right? To insert the second record, I'm running one more time. One more time, I'm running the program. Right. I am running dbcon 4. I am running. This is. I am inserting one more record now, like this. Enter the username. I'll take Raj. Password also I'll take Raj. Name Raj. Last name is Kumar. Address is some Kukatpalli. Mail ID is some r@gmail.com. Phone number 7777777777. Right. I registered one more. Second user I registered. Okay, right. So many people are asking me one question. Sir, whenever we write select star from product, that output order is not coming. Many people asked. Almost 5-6 members asked that question to me generally. Why you are asking that question means maybe SQL command line. When you are writing select star from SQL command line, you can see the order. Correct column order will come. In our in our Java Eclipse, you cannot see that order. In your console output, you cannot see that order. You cannot find order. Order will not come for you. Sorry, if I want order, how means in the console order you cannot format it, right? If you want to format it, you must take separate variables and must format it. So the code will be increased. We ask the students to leave it as it comes. It will look like this only. Sorry, if I want proper format in servlet programming for you, output will come in the web browser. There one table tag will come for you from HTML. Table tag is there for your HTMLs. Using the table tag, you can create one format onto web browser. There you can use that format. For now, see the output whether coming or not, you cross check it. Okay, right. Now second user has been updated. Let me cross check. The second user is updated or not. Let me look it out. Connect system and manager. Select star from user REG 41. So two users, one is Raj and one is Venkat. Now today's program is write a program to display user details based on username and password. You have to display based on what now? Username and password is a query. If I give that username and password, details must be displayed. Based on the username and password, Venkat details should be displayed. Based on username and password, Raj details should be displayed. Anyone. Okay, right. Now today's program is make it example program for today. Example program. JDBC application to display user details based on username and password. Write a program to display user details based on username and password. Based on username and password, it should be displayed. Right now, based on username and password. So see the program now. I am writing the program. First, you must know the query here now. What is the query format now here? Select star from user REG 41. All will be displayed, right? User REG 41 where uname is equal to nit.v and password is equal to mju672. This is a query or not now? This is a query. Select star from user reg41 where username is equal to and password is equal to password. mju672 nit.v not there. Understood or not now? See there. So based on username and password here, if I give Raj here, Raj, and password also Raj. Coming or not now? So how many records are coming based on this query now? Only one record will come now, right? That is a query format. So select star from user reg41 where uname is equal to and password is equal to. This is a query format. Understood everyone? Right. Now we are going to use this. We are going to use this query in your program. This is the query formats. The query formats are not now. These are the query formats. Anyone. This is query. QUERY. Query formats. Because who don't know Oracle, you write this somewhere and keep it for practice purpose based on username and password. This is query formats. Right. Now we are writing one Java program based on this. We are writing one Java program based on this. See there. JDBC application file. Click on finish. Right click. Build path, configure build path. Add external jar. Taking one class here. First I have to take package now. Right click and take one package. I'm taking test always. Right click on test and class. DB con 5. Here. Import java.sql. Import java.util. Right. Now scanner S is equal to new scanner of system dot in s dot close. Now you have to read your username and password first. System dot out dot println enter the username. Enter your username. String sum uname is equal to s dot next line. Enter the password. Enter the password. Now, after reading this username and password, go with the connection. Loading driver and creating connection. Loading driver and creating connection. This one. These two lines are common anyway. Loading driver and creating connection. After that, your query structure here. These are no right. So query structure is this one only. So for this, prepared statement PS is equal to con dot prepared statement. Sir, query structure I must keep it. Already, this is the query structure. You copied here already. It's the query structure. You copy that query structure here. But here, select star from user reg41 where uname is equal to. This uname should come or not now. For this, we write a question mark here. Observe. And we write one question mark here. This question mark is nothing but parameter index. You are inserting the data here. You are inserting the data. I'll draw the diagram. If the imagination not coming, I'll draw the diagram. Okay, right. So prepared statement here, username is equal to one parameter index. Here one password is equal to one parameter index. Now, so this is the table anyway. So from this table, you have to get the data. Place not there. Now I'm writing like this. Like these two records are there. So 2 minutes. Right. Anyway, like this. This is one table. Okay, this is one table. Now, I took this parameters here now. Uname is equal to, I'm taking Raj. I'm taking password is equal to, I'm taking Raj. Not single quotes, double quotes, string no. Now, I'm reading username and password. Clear everyone? Right. I'm reading username, password. Loading driver, creating connection, prepared statement. I'm drawing the object for it directly. Okay, right. So I'm creating object for prepared statement. This is prepared statement object. Zero X 0x some 111 one object. Here the query is this one now. Query. So I cannot write all these. Dot 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 imagine it. Here one question mark is there. Here one question mark is there. Yes or no? Now prepare statement method establish connection to, sorry, prepare statement method compile the query on database product. After compilation, it generate one prepare statement object holding fields, means generating fields equal to the number of parameter indexes. How many parameter indexes are there now? How many are there? 2 parameter indexes. So 2 fields are created. This is 1 and this is 2. This one is for this and this one is for this. And this reference is available on prepare statement PS. Available on prepared statement PS. The point. Now you have to set the data from here to here. You have to set the data. Yes or no? Now how many parameter indexes are there? That many fields are created. Now PS dot set string parameter index 1, that is username. Now PS dot set string parameter index 2, that is password. Yes or no? Right. Now using these two methods, using the two methods now, the data is updated. This username will be taken here. This password will be taken. This username and password will be taken. This username updated here. This password updated here. Yes or no? Yesterday's knowledge that only no. Now the data are updated here. Raj and Raj. That's the concept. Now I am running the. Now this is select query, insert query. Select means retrieve, no? Right. To execute this retrieve query, we are using execute query method, execute update method. Execute query. Execute query method result set is what now? Return type is what now? Result set. Result set RS is equal to PS dot execute query. Yes or no? Right. Now, this execute query method will take this username. This execute query method will take this username and password and run the query. Based on this username and password, it run the query. The query is executed on the database product. When the data is updated on the database product, now based on the username Raj, based on the password Raj, this record is selected. Yes or no? This record is selected. One record will come up, more than one will come up. Only one record will come. So the record will come out and available on the result set object. The record will come and available on the result set object. This record will come available on the result set object. 0x222. Result set object. The data will come and available here. How? Sir, Raj. Again Raj. Again Kumar. Kukatpalli. R at the rate of 777. This record is available or not? So how many records means only one record is available. Only one record is available. Now, only one record available with 7 columns. Only one record available. Already you know the nature of result set. Cursor will be here now. Yes or no? Na? Cursor will be here. And column numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, from where this came now? It came from result set RS is equal to PS dot execute query. Now, this line executed, the day address will come and load here. Yes or no? Right. So, this is the diagram. Understood now? Finally, the data is available in the result set. Now, in the result set, how many records are there? Means only one record. One record is there means you must use while loop or if condition. You want to display how many records now? Only one record. Multiple is there means while loop we can use. So here while loop is needed or not needed? Not needed. Just you write if condition. If rs dot next. Rs dot next means what that method will do? What that rs dot next method will do? Will very good. Will move the cursor. Very good. We'll move the cursor. If it moves the cursor, record is there means true. True means user available, login successful. This logic why I am drawing the diagram means why I am drawing the diagram. I am concentrating on it. Why means in servlet program, we are going to design one form, login form, HTML. Here, username, enter your password. Here one submit button as login. Here, new user. We are going to design one form like this. Whenever you click on new user, yesterday's logic. Yesterday's logic is there or not now? Collect username, password. Means from here, we link to one HTML form. Registration HTML form where fields are there. From there, we register onto database. Whenever you enter your username and password, today the logic is coming now. So we are going to combine these two programs into one program in Servlet. Understood this point? So whenever I entered username, password, I am doing my login process indirectly. Yesterday's program is registration process. So this kind of program we write in Servlet. On the day, logic you must know. Means these two programs you must remember it. I am retrieving the user details based on username and password. What is the logic available in the JDBC? You must remember it. And yesterday's logic is inserting the user details, means the registration. Because I made a tag as a registration successful. User registered successfully. Now, how can we decide the username and password is correct or not? Means if condition. If rs dot next. If I say rs dot next now, the cursor is moved on the result set. The cursor is moved on the result set. If rs dot next is false, example, rs dot next is false, means what? Record not available. In what situation record not available? If username, password not there means record not available. So when the record not available, you can say invalid username and password. Println invalid username and password. Understood this point now, right? Suppose rs dot next is true. If it is true, now you can display the data. So login successful, you can say, because username password correct now, you can say one message as system dot out dot println. You can say login successful, you can say, and you can display the details here now. So system dot out dot println, you can display it. So don't display username password, display with the first name. Now first name is available in which column? First name is available in which column now? Third column. How to retrieve this column now? rs dot get string of 3. So I can write it as rs dot get string of 3, column number 3, plus this is first name, last name, this is 4, this is address, address also get string, or forget it, get a string of 5. This is mail ID, get string of 6. This is phone number, get long of 7. Get long of 7. All of understood this, everyone? Right. Let me display this once and check it out, the program once. Enter the username and password, Alex and Alex. Alex, user not there, no? Right. So, invalid username and password. Condition is coming to else block at no. That only login fail. In the servlet program, again the login page will be repeated for this logic. Now, I am entering correctly now. Raj and Raj. Login successful. First name, last name, address, mail ID, phone number. Answer is coming? No. Right. All of understood this? Right. Here query formats. Program. dbconf5.java. One output. Below that output, one diagram. Right. Now look here. I'll scroll back to you once. Some assignments given to you already. We worked on this one. Here one. How many of you tried this assignment too, Andy? Student table and so on. Okay. Go with assignment 1. Same process. 1 for today. JDBC application to display student details based on roll number. Based on the roll number, complete details should be displayed. Assignment 2. JDBC application to display product details based on product code. Based on product code. Assignment 3. JDBC application to display book details based on book code. Assignment 4. JDBC application to display employee details based on employee ID. So all these tables available now? Yes or no? Na? Product 41 is there, book 41 is there, and student 41 you are trying to create that program. Employee 41 I given to you already. So all are similar, no? Same for practicing more than one program. Same similar flavor. Whether you are able to keep that parameter index correctly or not, you have to cross check it and you have to try. Okay. Now let us write program on update query. Update means changing some value. Okay, right. Right. See there. Select star from product 41 anyway. Now on this product table, I'll work it. So write a program to modify the price of product. Modify the price of product means update the price of product based on product code. That's a question. Make it. Example. Example application. JDBC application to update product price based on product code. JDBC application to update product price based on product code. Based on product code. JDBC application to update product price based on product code. Right. First, we have to check it. Product code is available or not, we have to check it. Yes or no? If product code is available, then you can make a modification, right? So in this program, I'm using two prepared statement I'm using. See that. JDBC application 6. JDBC application 6. Build path, configure build path. Add external jar. dbcon 6. Always forgetting package. Test. Right click on test new class. dbcon 6. Import java.util. Import java.sql. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in s.close. You have to read the product code first. Okay, right. So system.out.println, enter the product code. Now P code is equal to string P code is equal to s dot next line. S dot next line. Now I want to check this product code is available or not. Load the driver, create the connection. Right? After that, prepared statement PS is equal to con dot prepare statement. Whenever I want to check product code is available or not, I must use one select query here. So select star from product 41 where P code is equal to question mark. Yes or no? This is. Now you have to set the value here. You have to set the value here. PS dot set string parameter index 1 and P code. Here, how many parameter indexes are there? Only one is there. Now, result set RS is equal to PS dot execute query. PS dot execute query. If RS dot next else. Here RS dot next. See, you must imagine it, and all of you. You're imagining now? Select star from product 41 where P code is equal to, I must set the value. Suppose I entered some value. Some A122 I entered. A122. So what is the query format now? Select star from product 41 where P code is equal to A122. Now, after setting the value, execute it. Now, among these 5 rows, how many rows will come out now? 1 row will come out and available on the result set. Available on the result set. If I say RS dot next, the cursor will move down. Record available means product available. Record not available means product not there. So, if the control comes to else now, system dot out dot print ln. Here, invalid product code. Invalid product code. Understood this point now, right? If the product code is available, sir, what you're going to do? If product code is available, I'll ask to display, sorry, I ask to enter new price. What is the changing price you want to do? Whenever I want to read new price, I must display the old price. I'm displaying now. So system dot out dot print ln. So old price is equal to, if you want to display the product name also, you can display the product name. Old price of RS dot get string of 2. Is RS dot get float of column number 3. All of understood this line? Now the data is available on the result set, no? Yes or no? In the result set. This record is available on the result set now. In the column number 1, in the column number 2, what is there now? Mouse. In the column number 3, what is there now? Price. So what will be displayed now? Sir, old price of mouse is 235.67 will be displayed. By seeing that, I am asking, enter your new price. I want to update it. System dot out dot print ln, enter the new price. What? 1 minute. I'm writing in the middle. 1 minute. Right. Here, system dot out dot print ln, enter the new price. Enter the new price. Enter the new price. Now price will be in the form of float, no? Right. So price is equal to S dot next float. Right. Now I want update query. Up now you are doing only select and insert. No, now I am doing update. Right. The query is like this. So update query format is update table name actually. What is the table name now? Product 41 set. Set means what you are going to modify. Set P code, sorry. Set P price. P price is equal to new price. Whatever the new price is there, that price. Understood this point now? New price will be added here where based on what now? P code is equal to some code. Understood this point or not now? So what happened now? Sir, here one question mark will be there. Here one question mark will be there. Yes or no? Right. According to our structure, here one value, here one value. Now this is parameter index 1. This is parameter index 2. First question mark is 1. Second question mark is 2 always. 1 and 2. This is parameter index 1. This is parameter index 2. See there. Now write that here. Now here, prepared statement. Prepared statement PS is equal to PS2 because already PS1 already there now here. I am taking PS2 is equal to con dot prepare statement here for update query here. For update. Update. What is the table name now? Product 41 set P price is equal to question mark where P code is equal to question mark. So theory. Column name is P price, P code. You have to set the values now. PS2 dot set float for parameter index 1 price. Yes or no? This is parameter index 1. For parameter index 1, I am setting the float. This is float. I am setting the float for parameter index 1. Now, PS2 dot set string for parameter index 2. This is P code. This is 2 or not now? Now, execute update, execute query. You are going to make a change in the database product. So it is execute update. Return type is K now. Sorry, int. Int PS2 dot execute update. Now, if that K value greater than 0, display system dot out dot print ln product price updated. Product price updated. Have you understood this? Right. Product price updated. So let me run this. So anyway, con dot close. I'm not writing, but right. Okay. Now let me run this now, whether it is working or not. Run it. Enter the product code A10101. This product code not there. Invalid product code means else block is working or not. I'm cross checking. Right? Okay. Now I want to change the price of this mouse. A122. A122. Old price of mouse is 235.67. Enter the new price. 456.67 changed. Product price updated. See there. Updated or not, you cross check here. Can you see here? All of you understood update query? Right. Whenever you want to do update, you have to cross check that code is available or not with one prepared statement. If code is available, then only you must update it. It's a concept. This is update query. Right. Understood? Right. Now assignment based on it. You are free only not today? Right. Look here. Employee basic salary changed. Right. Example, employee designation increased. Whenever the employee got one designation incremented, basic salaries will be changed. When the basic salary changes, total salary also will change. Yes or no? Right. Okay. JDBC construct JDBC application. Construct JDBC application to update basic salary of an employee. Update basic salary of an employee. This is assignment. Only one program. If you change the basic salary, total salary also must be changed. Be careful. Now you are updating two fields or one field. You are updating how many now? Two you are updating. Basic salary, total salary. Right. Can I stop the class? Right. Tomorrow also class is there. Okay. Right. So tomorrow's class is what sir means. Look here. This program I'll write it. Update basic salary, total salary program. I'll write it. One student program I given no for you. The total complete program I'll give it because in core Java also the program is there. So we connected with JDBC. No core Java complete components, branch validation, roll number validation, marks validation, everything one complete program with JDBC I will write it. Okay, right. After that one query on delete. So with that writing 4 or 5 queries and we are stopping advanced Java batch by tomorrow and we are restarting with the 17th. So that is the plan. Okay, right. Tomorrow I'll write the 2 or 3 or 4 solutions and after that I must write callable statement. No other choice for me. Right. If I want to write the callable statement, let us go with break and come back and write the callable. Callable takes 3 days time. 17, 18, 19 callable. After callable completed, immediately we go with the transaction management. 2 days. 19, 20. 20, 21 is transaction management. From there, 3 or 4 days. Batch processing, result set metadata. Metadata components, scrollable result set, batch processing, transaction management, row set, and closing the JDBC and entering into servlet. That's the plan. Right. Thank you very much for today. Profile manager, deputy manager, designation. Updating means increment after 10 years.